Outside of auto, on the Cement Act, SEBI recently gave a go-ahead for JSW Cement to come out with a 4,000 crore rupee IPO. How do you see that play out, and what's your message to potential investors watching in terms of deployment of that capital?
Yeah, so we're very excited that SEBI gave us the green light, and we hope that within the next 3 to 4 months we would IPO the business. We have a very strong pipeline to go from 20 million tons to 60 million tons over the next 5 years. Ours is an integrated story. The waste product that comes out of the steel plant, the slag is getting used by us to make cement. The waste product that comes out of the thermal power plants of fly ash gets used by us to make cement. We are the most eco-friendly cement company in the country, and it's our endeavor to take our market share from about 3.5% today to 10% over the next 5 years. It's a very, very exciting space, and we are
also getting very competitive and crowded.
Yeah, very competitive. But we are using the proceeds of our IPO to pare down some of our debt, as well as bulk of it is going towards our expansion in North India, where we're setting up a greenfield site in Rajasthan. So our endeavor is to become a pan-India player. And to your point about it being so competitive, it is only players who have at least 10% market share who will, according to us, survive in the long run. The marginal players are all going to get squeezed out, and we're seeing a huge bout of consolidation. And I think the large players are purposely keeping cement prices very low so that the marginal players get squeezed out and consolidation happens. So if companies like JSW and others want to survive in this industry, we have to scale, and hence we're going in for an IPO so that we get that liquidity and that firepower to scale this business.
So what are the potential new acquisitions that you have on the horizon, without specifics, but just broadly?
No, I think on the inorganic side, today our balance sheet isn't strong enough to compete with the likes of the big boys. Once we IPO and we have that liquidity, then we can look at opportunities. The geographies that are very exciting today, Northeast is extremely exciting. We saw what's happening with Ultratech and Star Cement. There are opportunities there. Central is another big opportunity, and North continues to remain a big opportunity. So while we have greenfield ambitions in these geographies, if an inorganic opportunity comes up in any of these areas, post the IPO, we'll be as aggressive and as competitive as the big boys to fight for